What's up, my YouTube family, my human made family? Welcome back to another one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a video every Sunday, and drop a comment down below if you're feeling the content. Also follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe so you can know everything about me. And hit me up in the DM if you want to chop it up, whatever like that. Anyway, enough of that. So the video today, yes, it's another unboxing of Human Made, and I have another unboxing of Chinatown Market, and I got a Human Made mystery box that I had got. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be a quick one or a short one, we'll see. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So these are all the boxes that I gotta open. Yeah. So let's get to it. So the first item I'm gonna unbox would be this mystery box that I got from a reseller on Instagram. One of my subscribers put me on to him. He sells a lot of bape, Human Made, and other Japanese brands, but he also resell other brands as well. If you can't find the item, he will hook you up, and his name is Bape from Dave. So I have a link down below to his Instagram page if y'all want to follow him. He's always posting stuff and doing raffles. So yeah, this is a mystery box from him, and I think I paid like $2.50 for it. So let's get it open. Okay. Alright, so he has sent me some rolling papers right here. I don't even know if it's kind of dark, but yeah, he sent me some rolling papers. It said Bape from Dave on it. So be sure to follow him on Instagram if y'all want some good deals on some bape, Human Made, and any other brand y'all looking for. He'll find it and he'll sell it to you. So rolling papers. Alright, let's get to the unboxing of the mystery box that I got. Alright, so the first item, I have this one already, but I have it in orange. But this one is in the neon green colorway, which is this lanyard, like keychain holder thingamajiggy. The orange one that I got, it didn't last that long. It lasted like a month, and then the little piece that keeps it like locked in started to get like fidgety, and my keys started falling off of this. So this didn't hold up so well, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'll probably just add it to another giveaway down the road. So don't expect nothing right now, because I'm not doing a giveaway this video, but it will be in the video. Well, it will be in the giveaway later in the future. Alright. So the next item that I got from the mystery box would be, I've never seen this tee before. Or this. I've never seen this design. Huh. It said, okay, this is what I got. This is a tee that I got in the mystery box. It says Human Made with a silver heart. I've never seen this tee before. And for me, well, it got a silver broken heart. It says Human Made in it. But for me, this I don't like shiny stuff on shirts. I'm just not a fan of like shiny well, I don't mind reflective, but I don't like stuff like this. So I'm gonna resell this on my GRAILED page. And on the back it says Mark Ronson, Late Night Feeling. I don't know who that is, so I'm gonna have to do my research. It says that on the back, like up under the collar on the back of the tee. So this is what I got for my first mystery box from him, and I will be getting more mystery boxes. So I'll just give like a little trial run to see what I get. I've never seen this tee before, so if y'all know about this tee, let me know. And let me know how much it's going for so I can resell and get me some money. That's the first item that I got from my mystery box. So the next item they get to right here, they go. Alright, so the second item that I got is from Chinatown Market, which is one of my other favorite brands besides Human Made, so don't fucking beat me up for saying that, y'all. But Human Made is my number one. So yeah, let's get to it. This box right here. I bought this shirt for a particular reason. Sticker. Got a Croc sticker. It has the Ungrateful Dead Bears on it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sticker, but it's nice to have. And this is the tee that I got. I got it in a large. Let me bust it open. So I gotta be real careful, kinda how I open it, because I'm putting it right back in the package so I can resell it. So I thought it would be like a dope tee to get, because it was a play on like, they do a lot of plays on like high fashion, like Gucci, Prada, and stuff like that. So they did a play on Tom Ford, and they put Tom and Jerry on it, on this tie-dye black tee. And I thought it was just so dope. It had this like this, it looked like he got like like a watch to it. So yeah, it says Tom Ford with Tom and Jerry on it. And I think it's a medium that I've seen of this tee on Grail going for like 120-ish. So I'm gonna go look again and see how much it's reselling on Grail for it. But I'm not keeping this tee. It says Chinatown Market. Oh, it says Secret Club. So if you're not in the Secret Club of Chinatown Market, meaning they'll send you an email to a link on their website if you're a part of the Secret Club to get particular items that they won't just sell outright for everybody to see. So sign up for their Secret Club and you may see some dope shit that you're not gonna see on their normal drops. So this is like from their Secret Club membership thing they got going. It's free, but just sign up for it and get that email, click that link, and you'll see some shit you know you may like. But again, I will be reselling this for how much? I don't know. But I will be making a flip on it, that's for sure. So that's all you need to know. And I was gonna say some more shit, but I ain't wanna like overkill y'all with the bars. But yeah, that's all y'all need to know. Let's get to the third item. Alright, so the third item with the next two boxes, well this box and the next box are, how would I say it? This box and the next box are accessories. So you'll be seeing these a little bit more in the backdrop in the coming future. So let's get to the first box. Bullshit thing on right there. Right there, right there. One of my subscribers hit me up and showed me what he had got. And he was thinking about reselling it. And the resale value on these are going up on GRAILED. So the first item that I got is another thermal. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, there's another thermal that I got. Well, thermos, whatever you want to call it. And it says human made in a yellow heart. I don't know what it is, but yellow and black just go together so damn good. And of course, it got the ducks. Yes, sir, going all the way around. And it says human made on it. And it says human made on the lid of this. And yeah. Yep. This is gonna be another display piece. I'm buying these just for decor, not for actual use. So it's just these tiny ass things, like 3 gulps, I'm done drinking whatever I'm drinking in here. So yeah, this will be more of a decor piece than a piece that I'll be using. So let's get to the next one. So the next one that I have is the same thing, but it's in the white colorway, like this one right here. Like this is my first one that I got right here. Let me put it a little bit closer, but yeah, this is the first one that I ever got with the polar bear on it. So I got the other variant of that, which is the ducks in all white. So I had to cop these. I didn't even spend that much money. I think it's been like, what, $90, $80? I'd be like, oh shit, that's a lot. But the resale value on these are like $140 just for one. But I'm not selling mine, I'm keeping them. Next time that they do more of these, I'll probably cop more than one and resell the other 2 so I can get a bigger flip back. So yeah, this is I just added, let me see. So now I got 3 thermos that I can use, well, as a display piece, as decor. So yeah, you gotta keep all the accessories going, and I'm gonna really deck my room out very soon, within the next month or 2. Everything gonna look different in here, so be on the look for that. All right, those 2 accessories are done. I am done talking about those. And I got 2 more accessories that are similar to those as well. And y'all see what I'm talking about? Let me bust it open. Not like let me bust it open, like, you know, bust it open. I mean like bust the box open. Ain't none of that funny stuff over, you know what I'm talking about? But anyway, this is the last item that I have right here. Yeah, and it comes in this box and it's kind of heavy. So let's get right to it. And I ain't even opened this one yet. I opened the other one just because I was curious. So yeah, this is the last unboxing, y'all. I don't know what y'all gonna do after this video. Whoa, shit. But yeah, that's the right way. There it is. I got so many boxes, and I threw away a lot of my damn boxes, and I still got some boxes right here. And I'm about to add these 2 to the collection of boxes. I may keep the damn boxes around just for decor, but who knows? All right, damn. I thought it'd be bigger than this when I had ordered. So the next 2 items that I got out of that box, let's see which one I'm gonna go with. I don't even know which one is which, but wisdom. Yeah. Okay. All right, I'll pick the right one. Damn. All right, so this is the next item that I got. Is a human-made cup, and it's actual glass. This shit is heavy. This is not like a regular like plastic cup. So yeah, what is this? Old milk glass, vintage. But anyway, yeah, this is one of the other items that I got for Human Made, which is the cup. This one with the polar bear on it, of course, as you can see. Same polar bear that's on my hat. So yeah, this is gonna be another decor piece. I will not be drinking out of these. It says Human Made dry alls on the back and polar bear on the front. This is gonna be another decor piece once I get everything set up in my room. I literally drew out concepts on how should I change my room so I can get like the best like production value in my videos coming like moving forward, so it'll give my room a little bit more life within my videos. Y'all will see. Stay tuned. All right, so the last but not least, because I gotta go in the bathroom and ski. I'm just kidding. I gotta go pee. I really gotta go pee. But anyway, so the last cup that I got, and you know it is the duck cup, and it has the duck in it, and it says Human Made with inside the duck. And this one is the green version of that one. And again, you hear that? Did right there. So I had to cop these. Very worth the it was worth the money that I paid. Let me see. I think I paid like $90 for these as well. This ain't, again, these aren't like just plastic cups. So I got my money out of this. I feel I won't be using these. I will be putting these up very soon in my room. Oh, that was a bar. If you caught it, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, yeah, I'm glad I caught these items. I will be getting way more accessories. I took major L's in this past drop this last Friday with the duck that dropped, the paper mache duck. I was literally at work in the bathroom, sitting on the toilet, not shitting, but just sitting on the toilet. Refresh. I see the paper mache duck sold out. I'm like, how the fuck it got sold out that quick? And a fucking light bulb went on my head. Bots. Thank you for screwing up me and everybody else from getting this damn duck paper mache. Hopefully Human Made do something about that, because that shit just fucked up me and everybody else that was trying to get that damn duck, man. And that really screwed up my whole night. So that just let me know when that tiger rug dropped. Oh my lord. I'm gonna be pissed if I don't get that. I mean, pissed. I'm not trying to pay retail for that tiger rug, but if I can get a good deal on it, I'll cop it. So I pray that tiger rug don't sell out like the damn paper mache ducks did. But anyway, enough of that. Thank y'all for watching. Follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below, hit the notification bell. I'm out. Catch y'all next one. Peace.